everyone, this is KJ Vlogs, a Filipino actor based here in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad gawa natin ito ng reaction video, ang bagong vlog ng Horizon, which is What's in Horizon's bag. So gusto ko talaga malaman kung anong meron sa bag ni Vinci and Marcus. Sa totoo lang, gusto ko talaga kung anong mga skincare nilang dala and whatnot. So yeah, panoorin natin to. Tinangan natin. Hello, Raster. Napakakinis mo naman. Napakakinis mo naman, Raster.
Show me your bag. My bag is not here. Where?
Si Jerome kaya na. Ano pa yung dala na Jerome?
Okay, let's go to the box room, guys. Yeah. Wait. Wait, everyone. Waiting. You're gonna see a beautiful performance. Okay.
Okay.
Oh, so bright. Okay.
Ayan na siya, ayan na siya.
Wow.
Ay, wallet. Uy, ang ganda ng bag niya. I have a gum. Taray. Get my charger. Pati no charger. Pati na wala charger kung malinis. Powder.
I have
Medicine, pares kami. Kailangan talaga may medicine.
Yeah. So we can show.
Ano yun?
Yeah, okay.
Oh, wait, look. Ah, dala-dala niya din yung passport niya. Wow.
Sorry for today. I'm speechless.
Wow.
To give it a name, what would its name be?
Okay, you
Yeah.
ask him and I will.
Okay. Okay, Jiro, now that you've shown us your bag, what would you call your bag? Oh,
Fashion bag.
OOTD. Okay, so this is the OOTD bag.
Oh, OTD bag. Okay.
Okay. Please flex your bag, B-roll.
Oh, OTD bag. Ah, di mo kaya. Ang ano talaga ni Jerome, no? Ang hot niya talaga, no? In fairness sa kanya. Gwapo? Gwapo ni Celine. Bag niya pala is Celine. Anyways, wait lang. Ayan, tinapos natin yung ads.
Hello, Marcus.
Ay, ito. Gusto ko makita. Ay, gwapo ni Jiro.
Bag right? Yeah. We're doing it here?
Huwag ganun. Ang arte niya talaga.
Pretty small bag.
Ang arte niya talaga.
Not a lot in here, but definitely essentials.
Essentials.
Can never go through the day without these. All right, so
Anes.
so this is my AirPods, wireless, perfect. And then the case is very cute, right?
Mm-mm.
And I like sweet stuff, so
Sweet stuff.
like ice cream. Yes, ice cream. And then this is my
Lip balm?
lip balm,
Lip
tint-
balm?
lip gloss.
Lip gloss. Feeling ko lip balm.
Lips kind of look dry
Mm-mm.
all the time, so it's gonna look more.
Taray, may lip gloss talaga siya. May lip balm talaga si Jiro wala.
Special symbol, pretzel symbol. Kuya Vinci you gave it to me. Because, you know, we have the same chargers.
Ah,
We know which one is which.
Distinction.
This is mine, okay?
distinction.
And then something that you might find a little odd.
Odd. Ang arte niya talaga. Ano yan?
Taigi Uyu, aka strawberry milk.
Ah,
This is what keeps me alive during the day. Also Jiro, Taigi Uyu.
Oh. Is your Dagi Uyu color pink or just fake white?
It's actually this is really pink.
Okay, now I will know what to buy because I want something to put in my matcha. And
matcha.
if
Okay.
it's not colorful, it's just boring.
I like your mic. What is this? What is this mic?
I like your book. Si Marcus talaga. I like your mic.
Stamps in there?
Kind
Or
of
are you a
very-
scam?
And then we have like, I don't know what to call oil.
Blotting paper.
Yes.
Yeah.
When I get oily, you just gotta go.
Ano naman yung blotting paper?
No need
Yeah.
for the tissue, and it works really well. And this is my last thingy.
Thingy, ang arte.
But yeah,
Wallet.
that's all.
Uy, sana ano wallet rate? Kung magkano ang pera niya.
Oh, so
Sana
you're
wallet
the
rin.
smiley bag.
Yeah, the happy bag.
Oh, it really has the word smiley.
The happy bag.
Yes. Smiley.
Happy bag ang tawag niya sa bag.
I
Cutie.
would call it the happy bag.
Happy bag.
Gusto ko yung bag kanina ni
Makes my
Celine.
day happy.
Okay. Eh. Hala, ang ganda din ng ano niya, happy bag.
Jiro, because Racer is
Doing-
doing something. Taking over the
Ang,
bag
ang galing na din magsalita ni Jiro, in fairness ha. Yung English ni Jiro, wala na akong masabi talaga.
Okay. Okay, where's your bag?
The bag is over there.
Okay, going to do a bag raid.
Bag rate? Okay.
Tag grade, ano?
Instant. Fashion instant.
Ano yan? Bakit? Bakit siya andyan? Bakit siya andyan? I'm so embarrassing.
Ta-da!
Ay, siya lang ang may perfume. Hindi ko inasahan.
Mix cube,
Vaseline.
perfume, and
Actually, in-expect ko talaga na si anong may perfume.
it's a wallet. Yeah.
Si Marcus.
Some?
Yung si Joe.
No.
Okay.
Why do you keep your Yong Sejong?
I don't know.
Matipid yan siya.
See?
Ah.
Matipid yan siya. Tinatago niya yung receipt
Oh,
niya.
the fox. What does the fox say?
Okay.
This one is of course perfume.
Victoria, Bath and Body
Like,
Works.
can you give Jiro a spray in
Bath
the
and Body
air
Works.
and then smell it? I have so many perfumes. Jiro.
Describe it. I feel like we're
I feel
in
like-
cloud.
Bath and Body Works ang perfume niya. Okay.
Like it's cream cloud, and when you smell it, you're
It's like a creamy cloud scent. Okay.
Bath and Body Works, di ba? May ganyan yung Bath and Body Works.
The second one is
Siya lang talagang may perfume. Hindi ko
I
inaasahan.
always put this on my lip. Wait.
Wait, it's broken, bro. Bro, it's
Uy, parehas kami. Ganyan din.
detached. Why it
Oo.
detach?
This is
Parehas kami. Sira na din yung sa akin yan.
I bought this in New York City. That's why it's
Wow.
Ay, tapos sa New York.
Been to New York, bro.
maybe last year
Oh, what
Eh?
did you do in New York?
while I was walking
On the street.
You saw Vaseline.
Yeah, I saw.
Oh, so this is Vaseline from the street.
Yes.
You just picked it
Vaseline,
from the street.
Vaseline from the street.
I bought this.
Oh, you bought it. Okay. How many dollars did you spend?
$22
22?
22?
is Rubik's cube. I don't know what to call this one, but it's 4x4.
Yeah, it's
Learn
Rubik's.
and study this one.
but you have so many Rubik's cubes.
Okay.
What will you call your bag?
Ang gwapo ni Jiro.
Bag.
Yeah.
The random bag. Uy, ang ganda din ng bag niya.
Oh.
This one.
Many things. That's many? Okay.
Many things like I have
Si Jiro. Si Jiro, astig talaga siya, no?
Okay ko na.
hairpin.
Excited ako kay Kyler. Hairpin? Bakit siya may
I
hairpin?
have a ring. See? It's
Hairpin?
Please flex your random bag. Random.
Eh. Eh.
Wait, I forgot. I want to show you something.
Ano naman nakalimutan
Hand
siya?
cream. Ta-da!
May hand cream siya. Di mo kaya. Di mo kaya. May mga pa-hand cream pa sila talaga. Lotion lang yan sa amin. Eh, swag. Okay. Ayan na siya.
Did you see Kyler?
Did you see Kyler? Ay, si Kyler. Seryoso si Kyler. Seryoso si Kyler. Si Kyler, parang ang bait-bait ni Kyler. Parang ang bait-bait ni Kyler. Tinan mo, oh.
I'm doing a bag raid.
Oo.
Raid? Yes.
Bag raid.
Show me your bag. I don't have a bag right now.
Ay, wala siyang bag. Sayang.
This cup for my dance training later.
Aww.
So, I don't know what to do for today.
In this...
Hindi kasi, mainit kanina.
Mm-mm.
Totoo lang guys. Kaya nagdala ako ng cup para hindi ako mainitan.
Oh, the host left.
Sayang! Isa pa naman siya sa hinihintay ko.
Come back! Come back!
Ang tawag dito, extra bag.
Extra.
Oh, pag kailangan mo ilagay yung gamit mo,
Yeah.
kapag sasayaw ka,
Eh, ang gwapo ni Kai. Parang siya si Chayu. Chayu. Tama ba?
Okay, who's the next person?
the next person is probably
Me. Okay, sige nga, let's check it out. Uy, si Benji wala pa, ha?
Okay.
Ay, syempre pa tapusin natin yan, diba? Alam mo yan.
So
Okay.
this is Vinci, and I removed the audio that was
Hi, voice
originally
over.
in Racer's bag raid because
Bakit?
Jiro was
Holding.
holding the camera this time, and he was
Accidentally.
gum
Sure.
while doing it. So, yeah, imagine
Background
all the
noise.
Background noise of
Okay
him
lang
while
yun.
doing, it would not be fun
Appropriate.
to hear.
Actually,
So here
parang,
I am
parang kaano yun.
posting my voice into Racer's bag raid, and now he seems to be showing his sketchpad with his
Feeling ko na pagalitan si
yeah,
Gino.
and his perfume.
denim bag.
Ayan na. Buti naman.
Go.
Eh. Bakit ganun? Ang manly pa din tingnan kahit naka-tote bag. Bakit ang manly pa din tingnan, be? Ay, sige. Ito maarte to eh. Ano?
Glasses?
May glass?
Face mask. I always wear face
Oo nga, no? Nalata ko din.
when I go outside.
Palagi talaga siya nag-wear ng face
Kutsara.
mask. Kutsara.
I have coffee for my
Uy, coffee lover siya. Piling ko coffee lover siya.
matcha for...
Ay, matcha.
Matcha.
My favorite one.
Wow, you have so many coffee in your
Ang dami niyong coffee.
Ito medicine ko to para sa dito.
Ay, bakit?
Kasi bawal ako masyado lamigin.
Bago lang.
Kailangan ko to.
The design is very old.
Coex, yeah.
Nag-perfume ako dito doon.
Mahilig ka sa perfumes.
Minsan lang ako bumibili ng perfume.
Okay. Eh. Asan si Vinci? Okay. Eh.
Okay.
Ay, ano na?
Model.
Ito na si Vinci. Ang dami. Uy, ang laki ng bag niya.
Okay.
At linabas niya talaga lahat.
How many keychains?
Yeah, I just bought them recently because it's cute.
Okay. Lucky.
Lucky.
Oo nga, nasa Queen of Tears, yung clover leaf.
And
Ay.
my favorite bag, I think, it's Kyler. Because
He doesn't have a bag. Ang gwapo ni Mr.
Well, what you gonna say? You're gonna say
Who has the worst bag? You, because it's heavy.
Ay, ang dami. Hindi niya pinakita.
you can easily go.
Bakit hindi niya pinakita? Asa? Lalaglalaro na lang sila. Bye!
Okay, bye.
Lalaro na lang talaga sila. Alright, ay wait lang, hindi pa na. Alright, there you go guys. That is our for today's video, which is the Horizon. What's in your bag? Nabiti naman ako. Hindi pinakita. Bakit kayo hindi pinakita yung kay Vinci? Yun yung tanong ko. So, yeah, that's our for today's video. This is KJ from Vlogs and see you on my next vlog. Bye!